Hi there. Today, I'll walk you through how to alleviate foot swelling step by step. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to tackle this issue head on and get back to feeling great. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! First things first. Rest. One of the most common reasons for swollen feet is simply being on your feet too long. The blood naturally pools down there, and gravity isn't helping you. So, the first thing you should do is rest and elevate your feet. Here's how to do it. Find a comfortable chair or, better yet, a bed. Grab a pillow and place it under your feet, keeping them elevated above the level of your heart. This helps the excess fluid to drain out of your feet and ankles. Aim to keep your feet elevated for at least 20 minutes at a time. You can repeat this several times a day. According to medical guidelines, this simple action can drastically reduce swelling by allowing fluids to return to the upper parts of your body. Now, while resting is great, sometimes we just can't take a break from life. In that case, compression socks are your best friend. These socks are designed to apply gentle pressure to your feet and legs, helping to prevent fluid buildup. When you wear compression socks, it helps your blood vessels work more efficiently by increasing circulation. A study published in 2014 showed that compression therapy is effective at reducing swelling and improving comfort, especially for people who have to be on their feet for long periods. How to wear them. Slide the socks on first thing in the morning when swelling is usually at its lowest. Make sure they fit snugly but aren't too tight, as overly tight socks can cut off circulation. If you're on your feet a lot, consider wearing them throughout the day. An Epsom salt soak is another tried and true home remedy for reducing foot swelling. Epsom salt contains magnesium sulfate, which can help reduce inflammation and swelling. While there's some debate over the exact mechanism, magnesium is believed to help improve blood circulation and reduce fluid retention. To make an Epsom salt soak, fill a large basin or tub with warm water. Add about half a cup of Epsom salts. Soak your feet for 15 to 20 minutes, allowing the warm water and magnesium to work their magic. Afterward, gently pat your feet dry with a towel. This method also provides a relaxing effect, which can help ease the discomfort associated with swollen feet. If your feet feel hot or inflamed, you can use cold therapy to bring down the swelling. The cold helps by constricting your blood vessels, reducing blood flow to the area, which, in turn, can reduce swelling. This method is especially helpful if your foot swelling is due to an injury or after a long day of standing. How to do it. Take a cold pack, or even a bag of frozen vegetables, and wrap it in a towel. Apply it directly to the swollen area for about 15 to 20 minutes. Be sure not to apply ice directly to your skin, as this can cause damage. You can repeat this process several times a day. Now, this might seem counterintuitive, but one of the best ways to reduce swelling is to drink plenty of water. When your body is dehydrated, it tends to retain more water, leading to swelling, especially in your feet and ankles. By staying well hydrated, you help flush out excess sodium and fluid from your body. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water per day. If you're someone who doesn't naturally reach for water, keep a water bottle handy throughout the day. It's a simple habit, but one that makes a big difference. If your swelling is severe or due to an injury, you may want to consider taking anti-inflammatory medication like ibuprofen. These medications help reduce both pain and inflammation. Just be sure to follow the instructions on the package or consult your healthcare provider for guidance. A 2019 study showed that nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, like ibuprofen, can effectively reduce swelling in cases of injury or overuse. However, remember to use these medications as a short-term solution, not a daily habit. When to see a doctor. It's important to note that while these steps can help most cases of foot swelling, there are times when you should definitely consult a healthcare professional. If the swelling is persistent, painful, or accompanied by other symptoms like shortness of breath or chest pain, see a doctor right away. In some cases, swelling could be a sign of a more serious underlying issue, such as a blood clot or heart problem. And there you have it. Those are some simple, effective ways to alleviate foot swelling. Whether it's rest, compression socks, or a soothing Epsom salt soak, there's no shortage of things you can try to get relief. Don't forget to take care of your body, listen to what it's telling you, and take these steps whenever you need them. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, feel free to share your own tips or experiences. Thanks for watching, and take care.